Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have got my final Jeffree Star mystery box. So if you've watched my previous unboxing, thank you so much. I have had a lot of overwhelmingly positive support from that video and it's honestly been amazing. I have had so many of you subscribe to my channel lately. I appreciate it so much and I love that you guys just enjoy the video, so I'm super excited about it. If you are not familiar, which I'm sure if you're clicking on this video you are, but just for those of you who might still be a little confused, this is the premium box. So this is the middle size. I keep calling this medium. It's the premium box. So this one costs $45 and it has 5 items in it. I think we've seen from the previous unboxing that one of those items is going to be a pop socket. I've seen a lot of you guys comment and not really love the pop socket thing. Honestly, it's not my favorite either. Some people will love that though, so I'm not like totally against it, but that's the gist of it. So we're gonna dive in and unbox. I have got a little knife, which will do better this time, and I have to say, really sorry that I look so terrible right now. I just got home from my family beach vacation. I'm so tired. It was one of those vacations where you need like a week of rest just to recover. Let me know if you know what I mean by that. I feel like some vacations are relaxing and others are, you know, you're just like go, 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 go. And I don't know. I like to go and do stuff, but at the same time, like, I just want to relax. But it was a good vacation. It was just tiring, so I can't really complain. So here we are, a little box, some green tissue paper. Let's take a peek. Oh, I got a liquid frost. Okay, so I have not tried any of the liquid frost, but I know that this will definitely be a little bit more costly of an item. I didn't tell you guys the value. So I know I told you it was $45. The value is a $94 value. So pretty decent. You're basically like doubling your money or a little bit more. So I got the liquid frost in the shade Frozen Peach. That's actually a pretty good color for me. I am obviously a little bit on the fairer side, and if I remember correctly, this will be kind of a decent shade for fair skin. So this is a new one. Oh, it's really pretty. It's got like this frosted bottle. That's really cute. I'm gonna give it a little shake. I have not felt these at all. I know not everybody like wants this video to be a long one, but I'm gonna try the product out because I haven't played with this before. So here is just pumped a little bit out. Ooh. That's really pretty. It's definitely a gorgeous shine. So I don't have anything on right now, obviously. I am just fresh from the beach. It's really pretty. It's a little pinker than maybe I expected, but it's really cute. Oh wow, the shift in this that you actually see afterwards, which I know is probably not going to do it justice on camera, is crazy. It's like a purple like little fleck in it that you don't really see when you first watch it. Then it definitely like pops up when you see it on the face. Wow, not what I expected from Frozen Peach. I don't know what I expected, but it's got like that glitter in it that is just really pops like purple and pink. It's cute, but it's different. So I will definitely have to give this a try and see how it works, but so far so good. It's nice that this is a little bit different too, because for a lot of people who don't have like the entire collection, they buy like lips and palettes like me. That's what I buy, lips, palettes, and lip scrubs. So it's nice to get something a little different. I did get another one of the pop sockets. So I do have 2 of the orange one. It is going to be one of the items in the giveaway that I'm going to be doing. So again, I will have my first video linked below, and all you'll have to do is be subscribed, watch both videos, and comment on both videos. So this one and the previous one, and I'll make sure that it's linked below for you. So we got the lip ammunition in the shade Gargoyle. Cool. I actually I kind of remember eyeing this one up. I think it is going to be a little bit different. Oh yeah. Okay, so here is the packaging. Of course, you've probably seen the lip ammunition. Got the little gargoyle here. You may see some little sweat beads on there. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't get home very quick, and so it was kind of in the heat for a little bit, so that's totally normal. It's just like a little sweat bead in it. And I'm just gonna swatch it. Whoa. So that is Gargoyle. It's a gray, but I have to say, I never thought that like something so gray would be so wearable looking. It's got a hint of brown that makes it just a little bit more like taupe gray. I feel like if you're just even a little bit adventurous with makeup, you could probably play around with this and make it work. Obviously it's not like a go-to wearable shade, but I think it's fun. I will definitely give this a try very soon. I've got 2 velour liquid lips left. I have one is the shade Question Mark. I'm going to double check and make sure that that is the exact same shade that I have, because I saw a swatch online that was 2 different quote-unquote question mark lips. I think it's supposed to be one based off of what I've seen on Jeffree Star's Instagram stories. It sounded like it was one particular shade, and then I saw a swatch that was a little confusing, but I think it's still one shade. I'm just going to double check. And then I have the velour liquid lip in the shade Karma, which I believe I already have as well. So I'm going to grab those and swatch them for you. Okay, so Question Mark does appear, at least in my 2 boxes, to be the exact same shade. So I am going to swatch the one I already swatched for you guys. So one of these will be going into the giveaway, obviously the unswatched one. So that is the shade Question Mark. I love that this is a wearable color. I thought it was really funny that everybody was, I guess, saying like, oh, it's gonna be like a weird yellow or an orange, and he's like, no bitch, it's gonna be a wearable color. So he did tell the truth on that. I feel like that is a really pretty pink. It's not gonna be up everybody's alley, but for the most part a pink lip is fairly safe, especially when it's got more of a soft feel to it like this one does. So far, you know, we've gotten one that's a little bit weird, one that's very wearable, so I'm not mad at that. We did get another one that is a little bit odd, but I actually really like this one. So this is from the previous holiday collection. I did pick up this collection, so I have it. So again, both of those will be going into the giveaway. I'll mention that at the end as well. But this is the shade Karma. So this is definitely not going to be everybody's favorite shade. In fact, a lot of people will probably hate it. I actually liked this one, and I do have like a bit of a thing for green, especially like army greens, and that is the shade Karma right there. That swatch is so ugly. But yeah, that is a really pretty color in my opinion. Yes, it's gonna be kind of odd on the lips unless you're someone who's a little bit more adventurous with your makeup, but you can also use these as liquid liners. So they are eye safe, any of the velour liquid lips. So anytime I get like a weird color, I just know that I can use it for eyeliner if I want to, and that's really cool. I've actually seen people use these as like a shadow base too. I haven't tried that personally, but I would be down to do that, especially since I love green shadow on the eyes. So those 2 colors I already have, one from the holiday collection, one from a previous mystery box. So both of those are going in the giveaway. All right, so I've already got my little giveaway package like ready. I'm just putting things together. So it is going to have 4 items. So in the giveaway, there is going to be a pop socket and 3 liquid lips. So we have the Question Mark Karma, so these 2 shades which I already swatched for you, and then also the shade Scandal, which is also from the previous holiday collection. I also think the Scandal is a beautiful color. Let me swatch it. Now, I love this color so much that I could have been greedy and wanted to keep a backup for myself, but I would just rather share it with you guys. Scandal is like a mauvey pink. I think it's really gorgeous. Another shade that's going to be a little bit more wearable. Hopefully you don't mind. One that's a little bit different, but 2 really wearable colors. So I'm pretty excited about that. So again, that is what you can win. Also, I always put some sheet masks in any of my giveaways. I love like stocking up on sheet mask, and I always throw in a few of my favorites. So I will put a couple extra goodies in there too. But that is the Jeffree Star products that you can win in my giveaway. So if you do want to enter this giveaway, just make sure you subscribe to my channel and comment below and just let me know what your favorite lip color to wear is. It can be reds, pinks, nudes, green, blues, whatever you like. Just let me know what your favorite lip colors are. I'm curious to see if you guys have some of my favorites. And then the other thing you'll have to do is just make sure that you have watched my previous unboxing part 1. I will have that linked right below. I think I asked in that video like if you've tried any Jeffree Star products and what do you think. A lot of you will probably already have commented on that. So if you've already done all that and you're subscribed, all you have to do is leave a comment here and let me know what your favorite lip color is. Sorry I'm rambling. I am like so exhausted. So I love you guys. Thank you so much. I'm gonna take a much needed day of rest tomorrow, and I just want to say really quick thank you again. Thank you so much for the support on these videos. Honestly, I just appreciate it so much, and I know it sounds really cheesy, but watching my subscriber count go up, it honestly feels so amazing. So thank you so much for joining my little family. I love you guys, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye.
So can